That's the most common thing. The next most common thing is a 1500 series or 1100 series code in here for gas. In the wintertime, things get cold, they constrict, the water column drops, it's not able to bring enough gas to it. In the summertime, things expand, so during that time, that season change of year, sometimes we have to adjust it. What we'll do is we'll shoot for the middle every time, and eventually we get it dialed into where it doesn't cause a problem.
Are the codes in the manual?
The codes are not in that manual. The codes are in the dealer manual, maintenance manual.
And I don't have that, so I wouldn't know what the code is if it's
Google has that.
very good. That's all I need to
Or
know.
you call Brittany and she'll tell you what it means.
Okay.
Or we just come take care of it. The first year, that whole maintenance plan, we include it. We do all the maintenance necessary the first year. If it runs for a hurricane for the first year, we're going to come back and adjust your valves. We're going to change your oil. You're not going to have to worry about it. After that first year, we have a yearly installment plan to continue that maintenance.